Hello and welcome. Today I wanted to share with you something I typically eat for breakfast every morning. My usual oatmeal bowl with all its toppings contains no artificial sugars, less than 350 calories. I do prefer steel cut oats for their texture, but since they take a little longer to cook, most days I just opt for quick cook oats. So in a pan, I measure out 1/3 of a cup of oats and 1/3 of a cup each of water and low-fat milk, and add in a pinch of salt. I'll cook that on a low heat and just bring it to a gentle boil. The oats are almost cooked at this stage. Turn off the heat and put the lid on the pan. Let the oats sit as we prepare the toppings. I like to include walnuts for their nutty flavour, their bite and all their health benefits. I also add finely chopped dates for some sweetness. You can swap those for a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup if you prefer. As well as diced fruits, I like to add some fresh fruit into my oatmeal, and I use anything I happen to have at home. A handful of strawberries or blueberries can go really well, or like I'm doing here, slice a small kiwi fruit. Plate up the oatmeal, and then arrange the layers of fruit, dried fruits, and the nuts. And here I'm just adding a tablespoon or so of dried cranberries. I find this breakfast to be filling without being heavy. And most days as I'm prepping my breakfast, I'll make myself a smoothie which I'll leave to have later, either for lunch or later in the day when the afternoon slump hits. And that seems to happen at the busiest time of the day when I'm in between errands and school runs. And it's also the easiest time to pick up the wrong type of snack. This smoothie takes 2 minutes to make, 2 minutes clear up, and it's a lifesaver. I use a handful of mixed greens, half a banana, half a cup of frozen raspberries, 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt and half a cup of coconut water, and that's it. If you can make time for breakfast, don't skip it. Take a few minutes for yourself. And if you can, make your oatmeal on the stove. You'll definitely taste the difference. Enjoy, and thanks for joining me.